Welcome to the dawn of agriculture's new era. Come discover how modern technology is turning agriculture into a precise and effective art form. So let's get started. This is the synergy between human effort and technology highlights the efficiency and beauty of modern agriculture. Farmers with the support of machines work on vast fields with straight rows of crops stretching far, creating an impressive scene. In the field, farmers swiftly harvest fresh and delicious carrots. The vibrant orange hue of the carrots contrasts beautifully with the greenery of the field, creating a picturesque scene of agricultural productivity. Behold this tomato garden. Here, ripe reds and lush greens interweave on vines like glowing lanterns. Each detail is alive, enticing with its charm and expressing the spirit of a plentiful harvest season. Are you curious about how these bright red cranberries are harvested? Modern blueberry fields flood ripe cranberries. Specialized machines gently agitate bushes, floating ripe berries. Harvesters with conveyor belts swiftly collect, ensuring efficient, high-yield harvesting. This specialized machine harvesting cherries resembles a cage with rotating spindles, designed for easy collection in the fields. You are now seeing the wonders of contemporary agriculture in action, as a sophisticated machine picks cabbage with grace. This effective method not only keeps the cabbage crisp, but it also showcases how beautifully farming innovation can be applied. This machine efficiently collects apples from the orchard ground, simplifying the harvesting process with rapid fruit separation. Its speed and effectiveness underscore its substantial contribution to minimizing labor expenses. In an expansive field, awesome jalapeno chili peppers are harvested using agricultural machinery. These firm, aromatic fruits, popular worldwide, are picked carefully, ensuring their quality and appearance. You're witnessing an impressive sight, a pesticide spraying airplane flying over neatly lined fields, releasing a mist that forms mesmerizing patterns. Have you tasted this fruit yet? Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, it is enjoyed fresh or used in preserves and traditional medicine for its health benefits. In a vast field, a specialized machine harvests leeks. Each leek is gently uprooted and transferred to containers smoothly and rhythmically. The process is efficient and visually pleasing, ensuring the leeks remain intact and fresh. Let's delve into harvesting chamomile, also known as German chamomile. This flower has been used medicinally for thousands of years to treat coughs, fevers, colds, inflammation, and wounds. It's fascinating to see cabbages harvested with modern machinery against the snowy backdrop. Snow insulates winter crops, protecting them from freezing temperatures and makes them taste sweeter. Unlike frost, snow doesn't signal the end of the harvest. Have you tasted the flavor of these tiny lantern-like fruits yet? If you have, leave a comment to share your experience with everyone. Let's arrive as the vivid morning light illuminates eager farmers gathering luscious, shimmering grapes. Their deft hands quickly gather juicy clusters into baskets, but modern abundant harvest also relies heavily on specialized equipment. The Kokan 500-liter harvester simplifies blueberry harvesting with easy installation, minimal labor, adjustable height, and efficient fruit separation technology. It achieves high yields, reducing spillage and replacing up to 200 pickers. The celery seedlings are propagated in a greenhouse in large quantities. They are grown from seeds and nurtured until they reach sufficient size. Once matured, they are transferred to the main fields to ensure uniform quality and optimal condition before planting. The Twin-Cut 1500 flailhead is essential for agriculture and land management, fitting heavy machinery like tractors. Let's witness the precise and impressive cuts of this machine. Now, let's journey to the sprawling lavender fields and witness how they are harvested with the application of modern machinery by skilled farmers. A Congrand Large 2800 sprayer attached to a T6 160 tractor is applying foliar fertilizer across a vast, lush green field, creating a striking and impressive scene. You're witnessing a special machine equipped with flame nozzles. Its purpose? Flame weeding, using high temperatures from flames to eradicate weeds and other plants on the field. This method avoids chemicals, reducing reliance on pesticides and safeguarding the environment. In a bright greenhouse, farmers harvest golden Korean melons. They carefully pick ripe fruits, placing them in large baskets. The scene is vibrant, filled with the joy of a fruitful harvest. In the picturesque yellow chickpea fields, large machines efficiently harvest. Chickpeas are renowned for their nutrition, high in protein, fiber, vitamins A, C, K, and minerals, potassium, magnesium, iron. Popular in soups, stir-fries, and salads, they also enrich soil by fixing nitrogen. The specialized 8700 John Deere and 9800 John Deere machines are like giant razors, giving the green fields a close shave. These powerful harvesters glide smoothly across the lush landscape, expertly chopping hay and leaving behind neat rows, just like a barber perfecting a crisp bird line. Now, you're witnessing the bed tiller in operation. When fitted with mini plow attachments, it meticulously prepares non-compacted beds. The Orbis 600 ST and Orbis 750 maize front attachments feature a mix of large and small discs for efficient crop flow and reliability. They include a tilting frame with T-panels for durability, a quick folding system for rapid deployment, and optimized drive systems for high-quality maize chopping. This Deliflor Hoogveld's newly operational facility represents a pioneering indoor chrysanthemum routing system, renowned for its advanced automation and robotics. In a vast field, large machines are vigorously harvesting peanuts. creating a scene that is both impressive and awe-inspiring with the application of advanced agricultural machinery. Modern machinery is efficiently applied not only in crop cultivation but also in poultry farming. We are exploring the stunning beauty of vast fields irrigated by advanced systems, showcasing the efficient integration of machinery in agriculture. Mustard is not only used as a flavorful condiment, but also has various health benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties and aiding digestion. Let's dive in and see how this amazing machine gets the job done. Watch as the Vervade Q616 6-row beet harvester from AP Klutwig efficiently lifts sugar beets at VD Herb Farm. The beets are carted away by a Vredo VT3936 with a Panion beet transfer box, showcasing modern agricultural technology in action. This papaya harvesting involves careful inspection for ripeness, cutting from the plant, transportation to processing centers, removal of leaves and stems, cleaning and distribution. This process ensures quality and preserves nutritional value until reaching consumers. Now, we're gonna discover the wonder of Royal Jelly, a nutrient-rich superfood exclusively for queen bees, now harvested with precision through a blend of tradition and technology. A true marvel of nature's ingenuity. The Tomahawk 500 FS feed slide processes bales at high speeds, with easy loading and removal of net or twine. It handles round bales up to 1.6 meters, or rectangular ones up to 1.2 meters by 1.2 meters. Requires a minimum of 80 horsepower tractor and efficient hydraulic controls. Witness the machine's rake wheels resembling rotating suns during raking, ensuring precise and efficient grass handling. With exceptional ground clearance, the ProCar rake effortlessly manages high crop volumes, setting a new benchmark in the industry. Let's observe the harvesting process of Japanese Welsh onion. This automated system helps farmers swiftly address issues, boosting agricultural efficiency and sustainability. Drones on a vertical farm monitor crop health using sensors and cameras, scanning each level for growth and signs of stress or pests. The H216 harvester head is designed for efficient tree cutting and processing in forestry operations. The S7 combines feature-advanced automation, exceptional comfort, and superior grain quality with John Deere Precision AG technology. They excel in multi-crop capability and offer predictive ground speed automation for maximum productivity. We'll tour their Canadian facility to see how Entomo Farms transforms 50 million weekly harvested crickets into protein-rich foods. Crickets with more protein than beef are hailed as the food of the future. We're diving into Plenty's state-of-the-art vertical farm in California to uncover the incredible benefits of this farming approach and the groundbreaking technologies driving its success. This vast field comes alive as a robust plow meticulously carves uniform rows. The scene captures the essence of skilled farming, blending technology with tradition to prepare the land for planting, promising a bountiful harvest. Discover the future of farming. Gazelle plants, the winter crop in northern New South Wales, Australia, using a 214-feet air seeder pulled by a Baldwin tractor, capable of planting a hectare a minute. Chayote, a type of squash, is enjoyed in diverse ways: steamed, boiled in stews, baby food, juices, sauces, and pasta dishes. Join us to witness how this fruit is harvested. Do you know what task this machine is performing? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments so everyone can learn more. This bed-making machine is designed to automate and streamline the process of making beds. It efficiently adjusts and arranges bedding materials to create neatly made beds, saving time and ensuring consistent quality. Snail slime is a common ingredient in skincare globally, often touted for its potential to enhance skin texture and reduce wrinkles. But have you ever wondered how it goes from snail to shelves? Let's explore this process together. How are oysters processed? I'll show you the oyster processing and harvesting factory now. Join us as we explore how these animals were classified, inspected, and transported by truck, then embark on their voyage by ship or plane to global markets, including the vibrant Middle Eastern destinations. This Discovery Collector is an innovative manure robot designed for barns with solid floors. Unlike traditional scrapers, it uses a vacuuming method rather than pushing, eliminating manure buildup where cows stand. Are you curious about what chicken feed is made from? Let's explore the process together. Do you know which animal produces these giant eggs? Share your thoughts below, and let's explore the process of harvesting these eggs together. The Atlas 7-row opening machine is used in agriculture to create seed furrows or rows in fields, ensuring efficient and precise planting. Let's watch as straw bales are unloaded from the Feller Bale Automat 125 onto the straw barn through a chute with assistance of the John Deere 1120 LS tractor. Let's explore the combination of various machines used in the process of field cleaning and the significance of this work for crop cultivation productivity. This is a specialized agricultural machine used to pull grapevine shoots after harvest. This process ensures vineyard cleanliness and promotes the growth and quality of grapes in subsequent seasons. This factory in Hardworking produces 300 metric tons of Himalayan pink salt yearly, exported worldwide. Embark on an exciting journey tracing the life cycle of Himalayan pink salt, from its birth in the industrious caves of Pakistan to its global exportation. The 6.00 mixed flow transportable pump, powered by a 5.5 kilowatt 4-pole motor at 415 volts, is designed for efficient water transport in agricultural farming. To wrap up our exploration of contemporary agricultural machinery, let's watch as carefully stacked logs are moistened in advance of the subsequent stages of paper making. Our exploration of agriculture's cutting-edge wonders ends, but the fusion of age-old wisdom with modern tech continues to revolutionize farming. Keep watching for more incredible stories from the fields of future.